Hello student, today we will make border of mandala art. For this we gonna take 4 blocks horizontal and 4 block vertical. Then we started drawing from the upwards to downwards. Then we will make in third block, this is spirals. 2 spirals from this side and 2 spirals from another side. Then we will draw middle of this spiral, this design, and then draw the small circles, and with this we will fill the negative places as well. After this we will draw petal shape, multiple petals to give it a flower look. After drawing this, again we will fill the negative places, and now we will give shadings. Again we repeat this whole process again. We will continue this design again and again because this is border. Circles, flower, students, do you know when we fill this negative place now, it gives our design a 3D look. Again shading, and 2 design completed. After this we will complete this left place with. Now between 2 design we will make another design. It's a little bit similar, not fully. And outside we will make small petal shape. You can see it's looking very beautiful. Again we will repeat the same process. Students, this border you can make on any mandala art painting, or you can say on wall, on your dress material also, your bed sheet, and that will look very beautiful. Personally, I love this art very much. Whenever you feel bored or stressed, you can make it and you will feel stress free. Again, we are repeating the same process. As I told you, we have started the design from third block. In last block, I have divided last block in two parts. And this half part we draw slanting lines, and now we will make it in cross or X shape. After giving this, in rest of the part we will draw little bit big circles. I am filling the negative place.